Ethan, this footage doesn't work. Too many poses. Reshoot it. And the voiceover, too dramatic. Replace it.
Yes, Miss Meng thought out right away.
Miss Meng, your work is excellent, but another team quoted 1/5 of your price. My boss wants the better deal.
1/5. Mr. Lin, you get what you pay for. You know what 10 years of reputation means.
I do, but we only care about results. Sorry, we can't do this project.
Find out who they are. I expected professionals. You're just kids. Your only advantage is being cheap?
We're not selling low prices. We're selling results.
What kind of solution? With a phone.
For K smartphone, AI teleprompter, 1 click, 10 versions, different captions, different music.
Fast. But where's the quality? These templates have no soul. You'll ruin the industry.
Clients don't want art. They want 10 videos. Test the ads. Keep the winner. Scale it. Can your $14,000 film bring customers? Bring customers.
I'll handle the quality. You'll handle the growth. Let's win Mr. Lin together.
Deal.
Mr. Lin, no need to choose. We built a better solution. See you tomorrow at 10.
Perfect. See you tomorrow.
Starting today, we're not just making videos anymore.